If you need to convert an MKV file to MP4, HandBrake is one of the easiest free tools you can use, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step. This is perfect if you want better compatibility for playback on phones, TVs, editing software, or just about any device that works better with MP4 than MKV. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to import your file, choose the right settings, and export a clean MP4 version. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open HandBrake on your computer. Once it's open, the very first thing you need to do is import your MKV file. You can do this by simply dragging and dropping the MKV file directly into the HandBrake window. As soon as you add it, HandBrake will begin reading the file and preparing it for conversion. What's happening here behind the scenes is that HandBrake is decoding the source video so it can work with the audio, video, and subtitle streams properly. Give it a moment to load because, depending on the size of the file, this may take a few seconds. Once the file is loaded, you'll see the main HandBrake interface with all of the available settings. Now move to the Summary tab. This is where you choose the container format for your final output. In the Format option, set it to MP4. This is an important step because MP4 is the final file type you want, and this setting tells HandBrake to package everything into that format. Think of it like choosing the box that your video will be placed into at the end. After that, go over to the Video tab. This is where you set the codec that will be used for the conversion. For the best compatibility, set the codec to H.264, also known as X264. This is a widely supported format and is usually the safest choice if you want your MP4 file to play almost anywhere. The X264 encoder takes the video data and transcodes it into a format that works well inside the MP4 container. If you're not trying to do anything advanced, this is a strong default choice. Once your video settings are in place, take a moment to double check everything. Make sure the source file is correct, the format is set to MP4, and the codec is set to H.264. If you want, you can also review the audio settings and any subtitle options, but for a basic MKV to MP4 conversion, the default settings are often enough. Now it's time to export the file. Click Browse and choose where you want to save the new MP4. Give it a clear file name so you can easily find it later. After that, click Start Encode. HandBrake will begin the conversion process and mux the streams together into your new MP4 file. Depending on the length of the video and your computer's speed, this could take a little while, so just let it run until it finishes. When the encode is complete, go to the folder you selected and you should see your brand new MP4 file ready to use. You can open it to make sure it plays correctly, and once you confirm that everything looks good, you're done. That's how you use HandBrake to convert MKV to MP4 quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.